Alright, hell yeah. We're at Winco, obviously, and you know what I mean. It's about midnight, but we're gonna pick up some of these pens. Someone asked what kind of pens do I use for my math videos. So this is Pentel Arts. But the cool thing about this is these are cheap as. You know what I mean? 71 cents at Winco. You can't beat that. And we're just gonna buy them all. You know what I mean? There's gonna be, and they come in 2 packs. So that's like 35.5 cents a pen. You know what I mean? Like with inflation and all, that's like going the opposite direction. So there you go. That's the pens I use. I also use some other pens. Alright, hell yeah. So we're back from Winco, and here's our 3 packs of these Pentel Arts, and it says Sign Pen Porous Point Pen. And damn, we got these for 35 cents each, pack of 2, 71 cents. And you can't find these even online for less than $1 each, so that's kind of crazy. And so brand new, so we'll just pick out a brand new one so you know it's totally brand new. And so it just writes real narrow to get going. And then after a while, this pen's totally spent. So you can kind of see how thick it is. And definitely the juice has run out of that. Now, I don't think they last particularly long. So there's one that's kind of broken in. Just nice and dark. And the take-home point on this pen is if I'm writing all day, you know, with this pen being so accurate, I'm just really engaging very tiny muscles, and I'll just get kind of carpal tunnel syndrome with a pen like that. But this is just it just kind of free flows just a lot easier. But for making videos online, I typically use this Pilot. And this Pilot is the 10 point, you know what I mean? A lot of these pens come as 7 point or 7 millimeter, or I apologize. This says 1 millimeter. That's what the 10 stands for. It's 1.0. And then some of these say 7. That's 0.7 millimeters. But there you go. These at Walmart you can get for $1 each, but they're still pretty pricey other places. So right out of the gate, you know what I mean? I can do tiny letters. And the ink flows on the page. You know what I mean? I haven't tested every pen, but damn, I like this one. Here's the same pen with the 7, and I absolutely hate this pen. It's too narrow, and it doesn't juice onto the page. So here's that same G2 Pilot with the 10. It's just in a blue color. And yeah, it just as long as it's going, it juices onto the page. But for $1, you do not get much ink. See how this one's already done. And well, this was a brand new one. I mean, you get a lot of ink, but I write a lot, and so it's just surprisingly, man. But that is nice. There's no wasted ink out of these. I can drain every single one of these pens. They're just $1 every time I do, compared to something else. But anyway, so that's my story on pens, and I'll put what these were. Pentel Arts Sign Pen Porous Point Pen. And these have kind of the tan bottom. They look like this with the cap. Alright, so that's about it. That rounds out what I use for pens and for my math videos. So thanks for joining me, and that's a video.